Hey you guys, what's going on? It's your big dreamer and doer, G Dinero, coming to you today with another Breaking Down the Trade. Today, it's a Tesla December 17th, 2027 350/330 custom synthetic long. What does all that mean? Well, you're going to find out in just a moment. But remember, none of this is tax, financial, legal, investment advice. It's your buddy G Dinero helping you to increase your financial literacy to help put you and your family on that path to financial freedom. So with no further ado, let's jump right in. So the rationale for today's breaking down the trade came from a post that was put out by Invest Answers. And he said, tariff tantrums have resurfaced, or tariff tensions have resurfaced. China responded aggressively, and this came out, I think it was on the 28th or 29th of last week. The U.S. courts blocked Trump's tariff plans, and Tesla dropped sharply to $345.50, which was the entry point for Invest Answers. So Invest Answers had said he would stack hard under $350, and he did just that. So he added another 2.5% to his position, but this time it was with options. The net debit was $33, making his break even on the trade for Tesla to be above $363 a share by December 2027, which is 931 days from now. This is what the chart looked like in the trade that he did. It's a custom two-leg, meaning instead of a traditional synthetic long, which was done exactly at the money, which was right around 340, 345 at the time, he bought a call option that was a bit more in the money. He bought the 330 call option and sold a put that was a little out of the money, the 350 put. Both of those on 12/17/2027 for the expiration date. You can see on the Tesla charts, a little blurry. I apologize for that. But you can see where Tesla had wicked down. He had it on, it looks like a 3-minute chart maybe, that it wicked down to 346. And that's when he nabbed the Tesla, was sometime at right around I think he said on the thing 340, 450. And the S&P 500 had also dropped pretty dramatically at the time. Here's the trade. So Invest Answers sold the December 17th, 2027 Tesla 350 put for $115 a share, meaning he collected $11,500. He needed to have $35,000 available to him in some way, shape, or form to collateralize the put due to assignment risk, meaning the other party, when he sells them a put, he's agreeing to buy their shares at $350 a share, right? That means he needs $350 a share times 100 shares or $35,000 at his disposal in some way, shape, or form. It could be cash to secure the put, but we all know that Invest Answers uses margin. He uses margin against his big bag of equities to put up the margin for this trade. So it doesn't really cost him anything at that rate. It does use up some of his margin, but it does not cost him money unless he actually gets assigned the shares. Invest Answers also bought the December 17th, 2027 Tesla 330 call for $148. That means he spent $14,800, which resulted in a net debit of around $33 a share or $3,300. And it makes his break even $363 by December 17th, 2027. Easy to come up with that. You take the call's strike price, which is $330. You add the net debit to that of $33 a share, and $330 plus 33 is $363 by December 17th, 2027. What's the biggest risk? That Tesla goes to zero. And again, I have to say that there is that minute 0.00001% chance that it could happen, but that is the biggest risk, that Tesla goes to zero. You get assigned the shares at $350 a share times 100 shares, and that's those $35,000 worth of shares are worthless at that time. That would result in a loss of $35,000 plus the $3,300 that you put up front, or $38,000. That's the most that could be lost in this trade. It's $38,300. The likelihood of that very slim, but again, I put the risk out there just so people understand. This is what it looks like on Optionstrat. There's the 330 call, the 350 put, all the way out to December 17th, 2027. It does call it a custom. I call it a custom SL, or a custom synthetic long. And I used what if Tesla goes to $1,000 a share. Hi, sorry for the interruption, guys, but a lot of you ask, what is this option strat that you see on the screen all the time? And it's what I use to help me build trades, be able to visualize them in real time, track them by looking at my save trades list, and generate new ideas, right? What are some of the ideas that I'm trying to come up with whenever I'm trading options? So you'll see here it says you can predict your strategy, optimize ideas, view unusual trades. It's a next generation's options profit calculator and flow analyzer. Basically, it's helping you be able to build your trades. So you can see that in here. Tons of different trades that are available for you to build. There's a whole section on tutorials. You can see that up here in the upper right-hand section. Make sure if you're going to do this, use my reference code as GDinero. Super easy. Optionstrat.com/GDinero. Help you save a few bucks off of your membership. And here are some of the tutorials on how to use Optionstrat along the way. Some of the other things that you can see is you can see all kinds of saved trades. You can have all your trades saved on here. Also under tutorials, you'll notice they have their own YouTube channel, so you can learn that way, and daily tips to also learn that way. So check out optionstrat.com/GDinero, and let's help you make your options trading that much more successful. Take care. What if Tesla goes to $1,000 a share, and it does so by the end of 2027? Personally, I think it could be even higher than that, but that would be about a triple from where we are right now, roughly a little over a triple from where we are, which is not unheard of on a high flyer like Tesla. Well, at $1,000 a share, the difference between $1,000 and the 330 call option is $670. Now, in this case, the put's going to expire worthless. We're well above the 350 level. Nobody's going to sell you their shares for 350 if we're sitting at $1,000. So the put expires worthless. That collateral gets released that was collateralizing the put. And at $1,000 a share, the call is worth $670 a share, or $67,000. If we remove the $3,300 that we spent up front, that leaves us with $63,700 profit, or a 20.3x return on our money. So there's some significant upside to this, especially if you believe that Tesla will be on the move and taking off by the end of 2027. So I hope you found value in today's video. If you did, make sure you like this video. Comment below. Let me know, what did you like best? What could I improve on? What did you learn today? That would be awesome to know. What did you learn today? Make sure you're subscribed to this channel so you can see more videos like mine and like others. And if you want to learn how to read the charts, or you want to learn how to trade options, book a course with me. I have a TradingView and technical analysis course where I teach you everything chart related. I also have an understanding options course available at my website, where I go from the terminology all the way through to complex trades like I just broke down for you. And of course, all of that can be done at gdinerocoaching.com. Thanks for tuning in today, guys. This is GDinero, helping you increase your financial literacy to help put you and your family on that path to financial freedom. I look forward to seeing you again soon. Take care and enjoy the rest of the weekend.